what? What I'm gonna do instead is I can be Mr. Bean. Yeah, I installed some mods. This was kind of the point of the video. It's that one image. It's that one image I'll put up. I can also be Solid Snake. I can be Homer, who is not made correctly. He's too in front. I can be Mario, Virgil from Devil May Cry, and Me-Tan from OS Tan, and Claude from GTA 3. What a crossover this is. You know, one of my favorite things to do in GTA San Andreas is do this. Just type speed it up a bunch of times, and just the game's like super fast. Oh, hi police officer. I'm just gonna. Ah! Oh crap. Oh. I love the speed it up cheat code. Crap balls. Oh no. There goes that car. Tank time. Fast tank time. When you have speed it up. When you have speed it up on, there's like barely any cooldown for the tank cannon. So you can just do this. Man, I only have 3 stars. I've like ended so many bloodlines just from it's been like 30 seconds. Okay, now they got the helicopters. Not anymore. Hey, get out of my way. No, go away. I'm trying to drive here. Hey, you can't roadblock me. I'm in a tank. Oh no. Oh. There goes that. Thank you. It's gonna be Solid Snake. Shitty bang. Nope. Okay. Aw, come on. Well, luckily, I can fly. Woohoo! Oh, hell yes. Oh no. I love flying cars in GTA. There's the flying cars, they said. Where's your door, Snake? There we go. Oh yeah, do some sick flips. Yeah. Oh no! Oh, look at that. If I land, I get a nice stunt bonus, don't I? Quadruple insane stunt bonus, $8,000. You call it crashing, I call it paycheck. Look at that. $1,000 for flying. It's called cheats for a reason. What? Oh no, I'm in forbidden airspace. Oh, that's not good. I'm just gonna... Oh, 3 stars now. I lost a star. Why did I lose a star? Turn off this radio. I don't like it. Alright, fire. Whoa. What's that? Is that a rocket? Oh yeah, my driving skills up. Yep, I'm driving. Are my wheels even moving? No, my wheels aren't even moving. Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, 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 no, oh, no! Oh, wait, I get, oh, no, no. What? The police car was just flying. I didn't know it affected NPC cars, too. Well, there he goes. Well, you know what? I'm Mario. And you know what else I have? A tank. Let me go inside my tank, please. Thank you. Oh my god, let me inside my tank. Thank you. There we go. All is good. You know, the reason why I like going in the tank as Mario is because his hat sticks out. It kind of looks like Cappy possessed it from like Super Mario Odyssey. Oh no, I still have Chitty Chitty Bang Bang on. Well, the tank's flying now. If I was a police officer and some guy was just flying around in a tank with infinite ammo shots, I would just blow up the city. You know, I ain't dealing with this no more. Just let him have his fun in the city. Whoa. Oh yeah, look at these moves. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I don't wanna, no. Oh no. Oh, quadruple, see? It's not a crash landing, it's a paycheck. Whoa. It's hard to shoot people from all the way up here. Yeah. Hello, guys. Just gonna rain some terror on you. He was just flying. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Oh no, I'm out of here.
I ain't stopping, punk.
I'm Virgil. Well, I am Virgil now. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. I'm typing it multiple times because it stacks. I'm not sure how much though, so I just type it in multiple times. Is Chitty Chitty Bang Bang still enabled? No, okay. Oh no, don't touch that guy. I can move real fast. Uh-oh. Oh no. Virgil, don't shoot it into the air, you idiot. See that? That's pretty strong. Oh. Oh no, I think Chitty Chitty Bang Bang is still up. I think how else would the car be? Oh no! So dumb. Alright, you know what? I'm looking at more cheat codes. Oh, this is a weapon set 1. No, come back here. Never mind, I can't sprint apparently. I'll just treat you like a pinata. Oh shoot, you have a gun. I have. You just got run over. Thanks for the... Okay, I already... Ooh, I have Molotovs. Catch! Okay, give me back my jetpack. How did I drop my jetpack in the... Let's get out of here. Oh no, I'm burning. Oh, that's bad. That's really... Oh, no, I'm all good. Oh, hey buddy. No! I was typing in the cheat code. Ha. Crap. Get out of here, boy. Oh, now I get 2 stars. Okay. Yo. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. This is not good. So, yeah. Great time to have a jetpack. I always come back. And now I can shoot people. Not from too low. Hello. Yeah, whatever. I have a hey. Oh. Hello. Good day, sir. I'm just gonna go now. Ha. Oh, crap. I'm the one with the flamethrower. Okay, well. Oh, get quick scoped. Get quick scoped. Oh. Crap. No, come back. Oh. No, get out of here. Crap. Oh no. You just did. I'm Mr. Bean now. Bro, Mr. Bean, you can't get up freaking ledge. There you go. What the hell? What? Who do you think you are? Okay, you're just the same person. Ow. Get out of here, bro. They didn't even care I killed him. Oh no. Bad idea, bad idea. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh no! Oh no. Turn off the radio. Oh no, oh no. So fast. And I have the chitty chitty bang bang. When did that come back? I didn't type that back. Oh no. Oh no. Oh jeez. Why is it all turning purple? Just let me do my thing, okay? Thank you. Yeah, here's what I got. A tank. go into forbidden airspace here. Hello, how's it going? It's your good pal, Frank. Ooh, planes! I want to drive a plane. Screw the tank. Just to speed things up. What blew up? Alright, let's go. Oh no.